For Proposal Alpha, launching the satellite straight into the air using a rocket. Then when it goes out of the atmosphere, have the rocket break off, have secondary jets, then push it in the opposite direction to stop the satellite completely would not work. Because the satellite, it would just fall back to Earth. Because the gravity of Earth pull the satellite back down to Earth, and it'd kill a bunch of people. So that's why Alpha would work. For Beta, the proposal Beta says launch the satellite straight up into the air off of Earth. Then when it gets out of the atmosphere, have the rocket break off, allowing inertia to carry it into orbit. So this would not work because it would just go up and it would be here, and since there's nothing acting on it, it would just fall back down. It's like bouncing a ball up into the air. Okay, for Gamma. Gamma would probably be the best option, launching a satellite straight up into the air using a rocket, and when it gets out of the atmosphere, have a rocket break off. Have secondary jets turn the satellite and have it be moving perpendicular direction at high speed, then turn those jets off. Now, what it's saying is you can have the Earth, whatever, launch a satellite up, so it's going to be here, go up, and then have secondary rockets launch it here, so it would be like this, and it would be caught in orbit, trying to hit Earth, but it would then go around, and around, and around. It would finally get into one orbit. So Delta probably wouldn't work. It's the same thing as Gamma, except it's saying have the rockets always be on. Now, this wouldn't work because you're going to run out of fuel. Like, you're just going to run out of fuel.
But what?
Zeta wouldn't work probably because if you just launch it perpendicular to the ground with a rocket, keeping it going on forever, on forever, it would just like crash into a mountain or something, and you wouldn't actually be able to get it fast enough, so it would just stay on the ground. Or off the ground. The proposal Eta wouldn't work. Probably. My binder. It was.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.